Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. Today continue our playthrough in Honkai Star Rail version 4.1 on Ravel Brick. Last time in Honkai Star Rail, we continue our exploring or continue our playthrough in Star Rail Expo location. We meet up finally with Himeko. So I have a question now that I think about it. How did Himeko end up there? Is there another way to reach that location from the entrance in the beginning? You know, the one where we see Belobog area thing. So yeah, how did Himiko went there? It's just there. Yeah, why she didn't wait for us in the entrance of Belobog? Instead, she's there again. I mean the from the game perspective, the reason is so that we able to explore at least two area with Evanesia before she left, right? That's the point, I guess. But still, how Himeko end up there, and not to mention, the only way to get there is through the Jiangsu Lofu flood area. Flood. So Himeko just left. I don't know. That's weird, in my opinion. But yeah, speaking of Evanesia, so when Evanesia met with Himeko, she do a bit of blunder. She told us, not she told us, she said, long time no see, Himeko, as if she knew Himeko before, but Himeko said, no, we never seen. Is this related to what happened 15 years ago? Or the whole thing already play out? The whole event, the whole Pantasmoon game is done, and we just reliving that event, and Evanesia has the memory of the future. I don't know. I feel like I still don't know the thing with Evanesia. So not I mentioned she also able to technically port wall break, not just with the player, but manipulate the screen. Like what happened when she left. She popping up some background and then poop disappear. Before talking about fleeting moment, because yeah, that's the biggest. It's a big hint. Fleeting. Everything is about a moment. Something to do with, I don't know, maybe Pantasmoon game or the whole journey. We will see. But yeah, just after that scene, we went to the new area, the Penacony area. Not to mention, remember that Evanesia say something to us that we are the protagonist with quotation mark. I don't know, it's literally protagonist as in from the player perspective, the Trailblazer is the protagonist, or from the game perspective that we're gonna do something in Pantasmoon game and become the protagonist in the thing, the whole Ahad thing. We'll see. Not to mention we have still a lot or we doesn't know of, especially from the other side, the other contestant, the other supplicant side. Like we know nothing about Stellar Hunter goal here in Ascent, except for except for the whole Blade scripting. But again, Blade are not the one who becomes supplicant, but Silver Warp. So we don't know what's the whole point. Anyway, that's all for that thing. Anyway, moving on. So after we arrive in this new area, Sparkle, Hanabi, not Sparkle, Sparksy Hibana told us to check the news. And yes, this whole thing here, so I feel like this whole time the Sparksy we seen is actually Sparkle. Maybe we will see. But yeah, the whole thing with Fullwish TV, manipulating the news, I mean, obviously the point for this is so that they gain wish power. So, especially Diabric Squadron will, enhance the power, create a miracle or something. Because, without people, the supplicant are nothing pretty much. So, in order to make a miracle, supplicant need to do something so that wish power will be open up, not open. What am I saying? Wish power will be collected, so we can collect wish power and then use it to become use it to create miracle, and we know what's gonna happen next. So yeah, we meet Asphel then. Yes, we meet our backup, the one that Pearl told. I don't think Pearl told us, but as we, from the perspective of Asphel, Pearl told him to guard and protect the Asal Express. Basically, that's what happened here. So before he arrived here, I thought, did something happen to them? I mean, Asphel and Kushiba. But as Asphel said something about Welkyang and Autograph. Is that true? Or he do something in the background before he arrived in this phase? Maybe, we will see. And now we're gonna push through Grand Septimum, the Sunday boss fight, and probably facing the Daybreak Squadron using the Giant Mecha. Yes, we're gonna use the Wish Power, I believe, to utilize this, the thing that we've been hinting when we arrive in Perlux Tower, Giant Mecha, the incomplete Giant Mecha, because we haven't seen the scene where Daybreak Squadron doing a pose and then the pom-pom giant robot in the background. Not to mention it's the end game boss, the last end game boss for this 4.1, which means it will be the final boss that we're gonna fight. So yeah, let's go in. Again, Evanesia, that's something that I've been wondering. The whole thing Phantasman game. So either 15 years ago, or she already know the ending. I don't know. Not to mention they talk about cannot leave the Panlakaria because probably protecting the Cordiat or something. So what is she anyway? How she become a she? I mean, is she born with, or is she just an essence of, like, yeah, Phoenicia? Are you the guardian? I mean, are you protecting this? Are you born from this thing? This is the same tree that become the background. If you check that scene when she when she left, the background also disappear not long after. So you can see there's nothing changed in this area. I believe after this scene, we will have a second light, and then, if my guess is right, whoever the supplicant is, either you or you, which I believe it will be you, will glow up when they announce their supplicant introduction thing. So we don't know if the supplicant is one of the Daybreak Squadron. If there is, probably the Downlands, because we haven't seen her face. If not, then probably Full Wish, unless Downlands and Full Wish is the same thing, the same character, or it's someone else, someone related to Abundan, which probably related to whatever hell of that thing 15 years ago, maybe. Anyway, that's all for the introduction, for the recap and speculation. So let's read the description. Is it the same? I don't remember what the last description said. Look. Oh no, this is the... I don't know. Let's read. Still the same, simulacra and simulation, or even the just. Look, the wheels are turning, passing through the plain deep in the valley. To the down, the wheels are singing. For the I think I read this before. Look, the express is racing across the vast wilderness. We need the darkness. We run. We move forward. Let us play the horizon echo from afar. I still believe that is Nihilux, but I don't know. We will see. Let's teleport. What? What is this? Oh, did I just misclick? I think I misclick. Yeah, let's go here. We talked with them before. I thought it was uh, Dahlia over there, but it's just Furbo. But then again, what funny is Serval is there. Only her. I don't know why. What the purpose of that? I don't know. Yep. Yosh. Hey, that's Robin Bird. Oh, I'm super somehow. I forgot to check something. Before we continue, I will check this, by the way. What is this? Oh, this is the game. The story. What about Sampo? Oh, this is a quest. Yeah, let's ignore this. I remember that. Oh, thing is just a chat for the quest. Why you? How? Can I do something about that? Why it's floating? I don't know what the point of that. Okay, never mind. I wanna hit that, but let's ignore. Just focus on the goal. I don't know. This one is weird. They don't really have any specific fragile, but is there any point for doing this? No, we just we're just running, I guess. Let's just skip everything. I don't think it's matter. I just why am I doing this? I'm too fast. Well, I wanna see. I wanna jump that exactly like it should. Why am I not doing it correct? Never mind. I don't think I can. The trajectory is not the same. Just ignore. Super. Oh, we are already inside. Interesting. When we'll be inside? Welcome to second anniversary. Wait, not second, third anniversary. Yes. Look at that, Diabetic Squadron, and then versus. Okay. Why the image include Asphalt and Kuchiba? Interesting. How did they? When did they take a picture? Maybe when we arrive in this area. So is it the last area? It is the Gen Pom Pom background. Oh no, this is the stage. So yeah, we're gonna fight with. Let's click the description. Just think, okay, it is changing. Step into the final stage and face the challenge of the Diabetic Squadron. Time for the final battle, huh? As expected, the scene is way scarier than it was seen in the comic. Regardless, I believe in you, Little Raccoon. Wait a minute. Time for the final battle, huh? As expected. This scene is way scarier than what it seemed in the comic. Regardless, I believe in you, Little Raccoon. See, the only two people that called us Little Raccoon, Nihilux and Evanesia. So whoever made this description, maybe both of them, Helix and Evanesia. But since it said a comic, I feel like this is from the reader's perspective. So I guess it's actually Evanesia. Evanesia write this description, not Helix, I guess. I mean, but between both of them probably want, again, that's something that, I mean, this is the scene where you're gonna see the transformation from the big squadron. Wait a minute, if this is the case, then what over here? We still have one more area we need. Oh, it's from this direction. I didn't check that area. Can I check that? Maybe I still able to teleport, right? We can. I wanna check the extra area before we actually go. So yeah, they highly changed if Venetia, not to mention Venetia able to fourth wall break. So far, I haven't seen Helix doing any role for Folio. So I haven't seen Helix doing any role. What is this place? So that means, what is? I thought it was a stage. Never mind. This is an extra thing. So we don't have any Emporious area. Wow, what we have? A library, not library, bookstore. I will explore this later again. So there is nothing here except this. What is this? Okay, Nihilux thing. With the success of the author has become the public hottest debate. Well, this column doesn't change. Then I can ignore the flawed reader TM. So by demand here. The view possibility, I think. Never mind. Lost episode. Here a prevailing conjuncture, whatever that is. Whatever amateur baseball coach is not. It's common knowledge that the protagonist, Venetia, mentioning us. Okay, again, the whole thing with Venetia. Anyway, but of course, 400 cosmic planet is baseball, but 400. Some episode blue is more a baseball comic than a space comic. No wonder the conjecture that blurry QR code is a baseball insider. I don't think so. Imagine question mark. Fluffy Across the Blue is a comic starring various animals, but your perspective. What if it's really about Imagine? As explosive success could be the imaginary first step out of Arcadia and into the wider cosmos. I mean, I guess. What if the raccoon is actually exists? The whole our imaginary version. If you wish for it, it's possible, right? An IPC senior executive question mark. Another defining trait of the blue is that character story frequently attends saloon and bouquet. The author seems to have intense experience with this kind of lifestyle, like saloon. Okay. What if blurry QR code is actually an anonymous IPC senior executive, and that the fluffy is allegorical presentation of first internal strife within the IPC? A survivor of Advilium. What is Advilium? I heard the name before. Adlivum. One of the nameless, I think it was Ide or something, in the one of the movie talk about, said to come from Adlivum. I heard the name Adlivum before. Anyway, I think that video, right? The one where the winner of Phantasm game thing. Fluffy Across the Blue is rich with detail praising the lost civilization of Adlivum, and the author also seemed to possess the extra. This is interesting. So in the comic, there is a story about Adlivum, even though we never been to this location. The author is Nihilux from Adlivum, from the landscape and natural skin of the legend of Nanook. The narrative speaks the authority and clarity that leads some wonder if Blurry Across Cold might be Adlivum native. Author not. Did you write something? Alipu was destroyed long ago, so this seems rather remote, possibly. Oh no, the author is the one who made this book, this text. Visitor from another world. This is a wildest of all conjecture about blurry QR code. It argued that the story approved across the board seemed to constantly hint at the existence of the world without ion, silver rail, and imaginary energy. Ever suggest our own world has created by that one? What is this? Some researchers have been pointing out that many physical detail in the work doesn't match up with reality, which would normally be defined for a work of fiction. Yet, what unsettled them is how this invent physics form of a flawlessly self-consistent system, leaving those who trace its logic with a lingering chill. This kind of wild conjecture can neither be proven nor disproven, so at best it's just fun speculation. This one is interesting. Are they talking about Amporius? The world without ion? I mean, the planet without ion, silver rail. Imaginary energy is something that, I don't know. That's interesting. So yeah, this is nothing. Why am I? Let's teleport. Let's. Hi, fan. Yeah, which one of you, the supplicant? You haven't introduced yourself. It's full wish. And we have a robo pom pom. Because I thought Esfel only knew Cinderborn. I guess he knew all of them, including Downlands. So if this is the case, then Downlands is not full wish then. Because if that's the case, then Asfel should know about that too. You know them? Mangan.
おたくらはもう一線を越えた。引き返すつもりがあるなら早い方がいい。
Otakura, that's a funny way to say things.
Hina, Hoshihara.
Oh, we have the name in Japanese as well. Wilhelm, Theana, Lucius, and I forgot the name of Cinderborn. Wilhelm, Theana, Lucius, Magnus or something. So in Japanese the name is Takeshi, Hina, Hoshihara, and then Matsuhara, Takeshi, Hina, Flower, Hoshihara. So Theana is flower. I mean, I don't know. The naming is weird. Again, Japanese have different name for some reason. This is proving that I believe this was supposed to be called Benzai Tengoku before they change everything into Pelacardia. I don't know. Maybe in the I don't know in the English. If the English they said Wilhelm Theana and maybe they redo the cast, not the casting, the the voice acting thing. Unless it's always been Wilhelm Theana Lucius instead of Takeshi, Hina, Hoshihara, and then Matsuhara.
そして、Masahiro.
Oh, Masahiro.
僕
Forgot.
の心からの忠告を聞いて、それでもまだ満
Masahiro.
願に従うつもりか？
Masahiro. Hero.
俺はこいつらの仲間だ。
Yep, Cinderborn has not yet doing the thing.
おじいさん、聖越者への挑戦は禁じられていないだろう。
Which one of you is supplicant anyway?
誰にも止められない。
失ゲマを止められないのと同じように、かい。
私たちは失ゲマではない。ここへ来たのは殺戮のためなどではない。俺たちはみんなに証明するために来たんだ。
So which one is the
み
supplicant?
んなの幸福を守れるヒーローなんだって。
Huh?
請求列車、この天外からの来訪者どもは自分たちが銀河を絶滅大軍の魔の手か
But
ら
yes, I rewatched my own interview with the Full Wish TV, and yes, they altered the thing, the text, the word even. How did they able to do my first impression? I mean, Stella Invasion.
彼らが銀
I don't
河
know.
を救ったというのもカンパニーの演出の一つかもしれない。かつてテレビの前の子供たちを慰めようと必死にヒーローを演じていた我々と同じように、子供たちに、そして過去の私に言い聞かせてきた。失ゲマが現れてもヒーローが来てみんなを守ってくれるからと。リーダーだが15年前、子供だった私たちが助けを必要とした時、請求列車の鳴らし人はどこにいた？
Well, because we are not hero, and the universe is giant as well. Not to mention, that's a good question. So the Nameless is well, we found the ship. Himeko found the ship here, but what happened in between? We know that Misha or Mikhail was once of the Nameless during that, so we have no idea the timeline of Nameless before Himiko recovered the ship. I mean the train up before from at least the whole thing with Penacony, the whole thing. You know, remember Penacony event? Not the story Penacony, but in the past, the three Nameless thing. Will we ever learn about that history or not? And how did Astral Express end up in Malacardia? Probably, I think we're gonna learn that. Not this patch, but in this region, in this 4.x. Let's see.
華々しい銀河の英雄なんて噂に踊らされるんじゃない。
Again, I don't think we are here. We just happen to be, because happenstance.
私たちの幸福など何とも思っていない。この地を訪れすぐに去っていく観光客と同じ、いやもっと無慈悲だ。優越の遊戯を土足で踏み荒らし、この世界の人々の注目を奪おうとしているのだから。こいつらは私たち二層楽園の住民が抱くヒーローという幻想を自分たちの姿に
What are you talking about?
すり替えたのだ。
Exactly.
開拓精神などという身勝手な虚栄心を満たすためだけに答えろ。貴様はこれまでただの一度でも夕暮れの血だまりの中で震えるようなそんな思いをしたことはあるか。
あんたが本当に憎いのは請求列車じゃなくあんた自身なのね。幼くて無力で誰も守れなかった自分自身。でも言わせてちょうだい。 その無力さは決してあんたのせいじゃない。
請求列車は宇宙一位、請求列車は宇宙最強。
だらだら喋ってないでさっさと戦え。お互い血まみれになって戦うんだ。俺たちに血の皮を見せてくれよ。やれ卒業戦隊、そのエイリアンともぶちのめせ。
Alien. Technically,
黙れ、全員黙れ。幼い私たちが無力だったのは確かに私たちのせいじゃない。だが
which one of you is a supplicant? Unless none of you are. I mean, probably right.
このままで終わったりはしない。我々はハッピーオペによって変化した。かつての無力な自分に打ち勝ち。
Yes, this is something to do with
どうなった
Abundant.
我々は強くなったのだ。
You look crazy, Blaze Vapor.
おかしい。普通は消し去ったはず。なのになぜあれほどの恐怖を、涙が出るほどの恐怖を感じた。
リーダー、それはその苦痛がずっとそこにあったからさ。今度こそ苦痛に打ち勝つんだ。幸福の力でもう一度乗り越えるんだよ。
そうだな。我々のすべきことをしよう。アハトピアの人々が思い描くヒーローの姿を宇宙からの来訪者どもから取り戻すんだ。
Well, technically, Himeko is also a citizen of this.
どうする？
Yeah, what about you, Masahiro?
すまない、島津の兄さん。
Well,
ヒーローは
makes sense,
仲
but
間を絶対に裏切らない。
the
俺た
hero.
ちは卒業戦隊。4人の心を一つにして世界を守る戦士なんだ。仲間たち、そして俺たちを応援してくれる全ての人を失望させるようなことだけはできない。
我々こそが真の英雄だ。この車掌の像を見ろ。莫大なリソース
Aha, this is the thing.
グループでさえ命を吹き込めなかった
Our giant robot also ready.
だが我々にならできる。それを今証明してやろう。
Don't touch the conductor statue.
早く止めなくちゃ。あいつらに請求列車の名前で好き勝手させちゃダメだよ。
俺が眼力を捧げ目覚めさせる。
We're gonna do the same.
私が骨格となり立ち上がらせる。
俺が燃料となり前進させる。
The
そ
force.
して私はコアとなってエンジンに永遠の喜びを奏でさせよう。
Yep, this is the cutscene. Oh, the train as well. Are we gonna transform? I mean, the foreshadowing about the giant robot. Technically, that thing is smaller than, yeah, than. She doesn't know who is the supplicant. Okay, so we're not gonna use giant robot unless the wish power was always about them, not about us. I don't know. Okay, this is the first time we fight. I mean, that is the first time that I face King Pom Pom. It gets a stock of lasting anti-back. Blah 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 blah. Okay, again, the whole thing about punchline, I don't have any elation, so I don't know if I can beat this in the actual endgame content, not the story. Hopefully. Okay, sure, I just click auto. Oh, I cannot auto yet.
必ずあんたたちを止めてみせる。パムの姿
accumulating 20 punchline. Oh, this guy helping us dealing with the punchline. I mean, increasing punchline. This is too slow. Well, since this is the final fight. This is the final fight, right? I feel like we have something more about after this. Somehow. My punchline is still 5 because I don't have elation. I don't know if I can increase the punchline. Oh, we can, 15. By defeating the enemy, I guess. I still believe we will awaken the final, not the final, the giant robot. Hopefully, that's become a thing. The whole wish power thing that I've been hinting. 20. I misclick. I should probably use Acheron first. Never, because of this will fulfill the bar. Fill the bar. That thing is not Aha. It's someone from Abundant, I think. The voice they heard. So I don't think the supplicant again. We don't really show any face and any mask, so I mean they are wearing a mask, all of them, but none of the masks look like any mask we saw on the courtyard. I mean, we know all the 6 supplicant. What we doesn't know is the fox one, which I assume Evanesia still, and then the wood one, which again that's probably the supplicant, whoever that is. I should probably choose Acheron. Okay, so I cannot use Firefly team with this. So many things that against break this day.
引導を渡す。この歌で酔いしれるまで。
Every drop count.
満たされぬ
Okay.
深海の宴に響く。皆の悲鳴を。涙雨。降りてあふれる渡り川。
さざ波を起こすこの一瞬を永遠にしましょう。
覚悟しろ。
約束した楽園を守る。汚れも苦痛もきれいに掃除。みんな笑って。
Smile. Okay, after this you done. I mean after Akira Wolf.
を持って発行をかけ。厄災を払え。
涙雨。降りてあふれる渡り川。
今度はやったよね。
We still have something more after this. Okay, see, yeah. Cutscene. Oh. Yeah, cutscene.
仇を飲むは我が血、不義を打つは我が心。
What?
漁師ラマンチャ、汝に生死の誓いを
La
捧げ。
Mancha.
天球、足折れし狼に目を伏せ、我が領を導きたまえ。
Okay, so what is supposed to mean? Who are you, Asriel?
次は終点神々のわらうち。おかえり神のもとへ。
This is the real one. No, never mind.
静かに。もう寝る時間だ。
That's Asriel. Let's go. Where are? What is this? Where are we? This is asphalting. I believe this is asphalting. Where are we?
うちら
Giant worm.
まだ生きてる。
The channel gaib. Yeah, what is this place?
確か私たちは暴走したシャトル列車に捕まったままハイトンネルを抜けて。
Is Asphel? Where is Asphel? Asphel?
なら
Can you say
こ
something
の場
about
所は
this?
二層楽園の地下。
This is not the area
その深くにある
we
駅ということ
seen
になるわ
as part of the new area. One time only area.
でもこのボロボロの建物とか遠くに見える変な空間とか全
Yeah,
然
what is this? I didn't expect this.
二層楽園の地下ってこんな
So there's
広い
still
スペース
more.
があったの？
This is not the final battle.
他に可能性があるとしたらここは現実じゃなく
Wait, really?
世界なのかも。
You guys didn't pay attention to Asphel?
何らかの理由でこの世界に迷い込ん
Spotting
でしまったのかもしれない
something
わ。
こちら
incantation.
元の場所に帰れるのかな？
急いでみんなを探してここを脱出しましょう。そういえば品津さんたちは
That's what I'm asking. Why? Yeah, it's okay. It's over there. It's closed. Why didn't we pay attention? Echoes from Sombre Empire. So yeah, this is like a giant worm. If I think about no, not if I think about it, but ancient world deeply forgotten, filled with the beckoning call of sneer and laughter and mocking. Is there a sneering god station? This is like a teeth, like a worm, a giant worm, celestial worm. Let's read the description first because we. Okay, Pelangkardia question mark. Echoes from Somber Empire. Gather and then arrive. Who are you? Gather, and then. Hello, Minasan.
再生している。やはり我々はシンウィッシュマフィアのようなゴミとは違ったようだな。そりゃそうさリーダー。俺たちはヒーロー。
Oh, you assume this is okay.
オタクらが正義だってんなら、僕は必要悪を担当しようか。
みんな正気に戻ってくれ。このままじゃ本当に。
笑って永遠の極楽、本当の幸福があなたを待ってるんですよ。
お願いだから話を聞いてくれ。口場さんと一緒に超常現象管理局に出頭しよう。ちゃんと地上を話せばきっとまだ間に合うはずだ。
諦めな。連中はもう快楽にしか反応しない生き物になり下がったんだ。
みんな幸せ、誰も知らない。笑おう、さあ笑え。いずれこの二層楽園は笑いに包まれる。
You're being crazy.
先輩、それに島津さん、お願いっす。どうかみんなを説得して。
There's nothing to do with Abundant. Masahiro.
島津さん、もうちょっとだけ待ってくれよ。知ってるだろ。
So why are we talking about this? Well, you're supposed to be say that. Where are we? That's the first thing I should ask. Should we focusing on? But anyway, sure. Let's deal with the Daybreak Squadron first.
今からこいつらを殺すって言ったらオタクは止めるかい?
Why will we kill them? I thought we know the reason. The thing inside them. How do you?
気持ちはわからなくもないさ。だが
Are you sure they made their choice? I thought they've been controlled by someone.
それにあのまま生かしておくのが本当に連中のためだと思うか?
The pill, I mean not the pill, the thing, surgery. And where are we anyway? Asphalt, you know about this, aren't you? And who even are you? You're doing incantation before you're doing this stuff, just like when we enter this area.
シンウィッシュマフィア。鳩側に救うマフィアとして対立組織と大規模な争いを引き起こし多数の重傷者を出した。強盗、恐喝など彼らの罪は数知れない。狂いけど邪推。あいつらは間違いなくろくでなしだ。彼らが人生で行った善行なんてお水だまりにたまたま浮かんだ透明な泡程度のものだろう。
We barely know the Sinwis. Okay, so it's confirmed. The one who pretending to be Herald of Death is, well, Blazeweaver, Azurwing, and Downlands.
ああ、確かにあいつらには償わなくてはならない罪があった。
What about Scott?
だがそれは オタクらがおもちゃを乱暴に壊すようにあいつらを惨
And
殺
how
してい
you
る
guys
理由に
do
もかなわ
that
ない
in the first place? You seem weaker. Maybe we are stronger.
助けてくれてありがとう。私は黎明レッド、卒業戦隊の隊長だ。ちょっと待ってくれ。
Wait a minute.
まだ話の途中だろ。
I thought the Echo of the Past is only recounting memory from Galaxy Ranger thing. I guess not. Okay, so is Asphel not Galaxy Ranger? What? I thought. Well, I don't know. This whole scene with Asphel is technically Asphel is the banner character, but I feel like we haven't learned anything about Asphel as much as I think we will, at least from my perspective.
ごっこ遊びなんかじゃないですよ。だってみんな心の底から笑顔になれたじゃないですか。探偵さん、巡回レンジャーって知ってます？
Hey, 巡回レンジャー。
正義の味方たちの集まりだって噂なんです。それが本当なら、私たちもこの町のレンジャーってことになるんでしょうか。
They mentioned the Junker Ranger, so I guess Asphel still.
シナツさん、ちょうどいいところにちょっと頼みたいことがあって。
What even is this ability? Why you keep screaming?
この味は
What do you mean?
なるほどな。
あんた一体。
正宏、今日この場で起きたことを忘れるな。
What's going on? They just disappear. Pew!
僕に復讐すればいい。
What is
やめ
going
ろなん
on?
て言わないさ。
A shadow with the robe beneath Asphel feet like a receding tide, leaving Cinderborn standing alone in the wake of the darkness. As the gloom disperses, it utterly subsumed his three companions, along with the shadow that tethered them to it, vanishing them. Yeah, what is this? Who are you, Asphel? What are your ability? There's so many questions about Asphel. Maybe we're gonna. What is that question? What is the description? Let's humor them. Let's humor him for a bit. Is that you? Question mark. My long lost. Who are you? Who is this person making this description? Is that you? My long lost? Asphel. Let's humor him for a bit. The narrator somehow toying with the description. Anyway, care to explain what's going on? That's a bit.
新たな棺間事件は解決した。何の物証も証言もないけれど。報告書には何が
Yeah, exactly. Why did Asphel so hold?
さあね。その質問
Exactly.
答えられる人がいるとしたら。でも、私は彼を信じているわ。彼の
Hey, what is that? What
牙
shadow?
を突き立てるのは。
Is this his thing?
真に罪
What is
深き
this?
ものだけだから。
Is this something to do with the Hun? That's what
あ
Asphel
の力の
mentioned
由来が何かはわからな
when
い。
she said the spell.
積み上げてきた実績は確かよ。これまで何度も
Oh,
超常現象管理局の手に負えない
so
厄
he's
介
been
な
doing
事件
this for your
解
time.
決してきたもの。
Interesting. So we still cannot pinpoint the full wish if that's the case. Then this is not really this is not the best solution in my opinion, because the full wish now still a thing. Maybe Asphel, you should probably the one who thinking of what you said to me before about revenge. But anyway, it's already done now. I cannot do anything. Cinderborn, are you fine?
俺たちは一体。
So the whole thing with the Herald of Death, I feel like it's to rush. I don't sense like did they skip something? I don't know. I feel like this part over here is a bit too fast. The investigation, the Herald of Death, and such. I don't know. I feel like I don't understand this one. This section. Basically, this whole thing with this thing, I don't know. It feel weird. Anyway, let's see. So Asphel, what is this exactly? What do you
い
make?
やー、よかったよかった。おたくらを守りきれないんじゃないかとヒヤヒヤしたよ。
Who are you and what is
お
this?
たくらも
Where
なかな
are
か
we?
しぶといらしい。
巡回レンジャーの狩猟ラマー
Oh shit!
チ、その名前には
Yes!
があるわ。でも
I knew it.
それは随分古い伝説の
I
はずだけど
didn't know that the leader of I didn't know that he is the leader, but I didn't know that La Mancha is the name of the leader, but she is Junkai Ranger. Again, automation in the event. Rappa, he know Rappa. Even though Rafa technically not here currently, but I mean it's the event. I keep saying this, but the event last patch, the whole thing with Belobog is not canon. Even though we saw Serval, even Serval said that we just met her this right now. Even though we meet her during the event. So yeah, the event is not canon, and Rappa is not here. But the thing from that event, information is real. Their connection, especially connection between Asphel and Rappa, now confirmed. Galaxy Ranger. So I still don't know what Serval here for. Is she the only one here from Belobog? I don't know. She mentioned Topaz. Are we gonna see Topaz? I don't know. Anyway.
七死人ってのはなかなか物知りなんだな。その名もいい加減この銀
So why are you
河から消え失せただろうし、
here now?
そろそろ新しい
Leader?
人生を始めようかと思ってたんだが。
Okay, turning over a new leaf. But why? Okay, is this connected to the thing? Remember in the Acheron perspective, we saw a lot of Galaxy Ranger die. Is this related to that? Is why he stopped being Galaxy Ranger? So who? I want to know the other member of Galaxy Ranger now. Did Boothill know about La Mancha? Or maybe I don't know. Yeah, do you know Boothill?
うーん、
You know Rappa because we saw you in the event. Talk with Rappa.
まさかシルバーガンシュラさんと竜蘭人形さんのことか？
Okay, everyone have their own. Okay, this Galaxy Ranger have title, huh? I mean I remember this name, Silver Gun Shura, Dazzling Ninja Hero. Technically, that's what Rappa call Boothill. So that's Rappa thing.
もちろん知らないさ。
Oh,
僕が引退したのはもう大昔のことだ。
oh.
レンジャーでまだ生きてるの
This confirmed.
一人は僕を裏切り者と名乗し
Again, I said this a moment ago about the event.
の獲物だと思ってる。
So the scene where we see Rappa in the event is not canon. If what Asphel said here is true, that he doesn't know about the current Galaxy Ranger, and the one who's still alive see him as a traitor. You basically running away, Asphel. Maybe this is why he keeps saying about the thing that he said before. Technically to himself as well.
とにかくさっき耳にした名前は忘れてくれ。今ここにいる僕は探偵のシナズだ。
I mean,
それ以
sure,
上でもそれ以下でもない。
that's fine. What about here? Where are we anyway?
僕の正体をあれこれ詮索したり、さっき死んだ連中を傷んでる暇があるなら、ここを出る方法を考えた方がいいんじゃないか？
Ah,
楽園の地下に何か良くないものが潜んでると噂には聞いてたが、そんな噂を耳にしながら楽園で暮らす人々はよく毎日安眠できるな。
I thought this is your doing, so it's not. So we are inside the planet. Okay, this giant worm. I assume this is giant worm moth or something. So yeah,
列車のアナウンスでは
yes,
神
that's
々
the
を
thing
笑
what
う
they
地だ
said.
なんて言ってたけど、
Line of Steering
そん
Guard.
な駅は聞いたこともないわね。
I don't think we even on the map. I don't see any map. Land of Sneering Gods.
まさか
うちらは永遠にここから出られない
Oh, we even end up here. Atau this was because of your power.
品津さん、さっきから随分余裕がありそうね。こんなに不気味な場所にいて、少しの身の危険も感じてないようだけど。
Yeah, what do you mean by that?
この場所について
Asphalt?
本当に何も知らないのかしら。
Exactly.
いわゆる企業秘密ってやつだ。教えられないね。
So what is this? So you know?
それと僕を怪しんだって無駄だ。僕はただ探偵としてふさわしい態度を、雇い主を信じるって態度を
Okay, you
貫
think
いて
Pearl
るだ
gonna
けだ
save
から。
us? Pearl does get the... This is where the Sparkle or any other character come here rescuing us.
さてお嬢さん、パールさんにもらったもの持ってるだろ？
Adventure Lucky Coin. I was lucky with this with us.
チップもらってただろ？そいつの追跡機能が生きてれば、
Because it's a
この
tracker.
場所はパールさんにも伝わる。
Pearl does get a...
僕たち全員の無事は保証されたようなものさ。
Tracking
やっぱ
device
りまた追
again.
跡装置だったんだね。
I thought it was a lucky coin from... Okay.
アキフィリ。
Someone just called me Akifili. Is this Aha voice?
アキフィリ。やっぱりまたアキフィリ。
This sound like someone I know. Are we actually Akifili? Atau we are just a thing, our past? Ya homunculus made for Stellaron thing. Again, the only one who know our backstory are Stellaron Hunter. And they told us nothing so far, yet.
アキフィリ。
Are you Aha?
こっちだよ。ゆっくりでいいから。
I know
こっ
this
ちに来
voice.
て。
This look like your own voice. Is this Tele voice?
こっちだよ。ゆっくりでいいから。こっちに来て。
Let's see.
やっぱりまた追跡装置。
Well,
こっちだよ。
a bit different.
ゆっくりでいいから。こっちに来て。
Anyway,
そう。この道の突き
is
当
this
た
where
りだよ。
are we gonna get
さ
elation
あ、おいで。
now? I thought it's gonna be next parts because the elation reveal in the deep market right after Evanesia and Silver Wolf, which I assume for Point 2. Unless
奥で誰かが呼んでる。
everyone, do you see that? Run to her, him, her. What? This description. Follow the voice within. No wonder it's no wonder this is sound like me. And before all, you, me, him, her, them, and it. Optional. Return to her. Himeko, her. Mark 7. Him, Asphalt, her, Kuchiba, and him, Cinderborn. Wait a minute. What the first one? You, which is Trailblazer. Me, this voice. Him, her, them, and it. This is just a pronunciation. You, me, him, her, them, it. Except for... No, it's all of them. What? A hint of sweetness, a touch of wonder, a primal instinct for a lively roar within your heart. It beckons you to dance, to sing, to the end of the void. It beckons you to come here. Hesitate not, despair not. Come before me. Distill this wondrous instant into nectar and share it with me. Stop navigation. So, okay. The reason why I do this because as you can see, it's been an hour, so I'm gonna continue this next time. So let's Exit. Stop the challenge and save your current progress. Select quit completely. Let's pause before we do anything, the optional and stuff. So yeah, is this proving that the summary is not by remove? The summary is not made by Evanesia, or maybe the summary is made by different people depending on the context. So maybe this one is whoever she is. Again, this is still the thing. These people. Oh, it's gone, the thing. There's something here that says something. Express Standy. My journey led us starward. Okay, so that's the description, the thing that popped up. Before we end the video, I wanna check something in Patasman Courtyard. Again, since I don't know if I don't think there's supplicant again. Yep. Nothing changed. See. Nothing changed. So there's no supplicant. Explore incursion quest station. So yeah, that's all for now. Until next time. Bye.